हमारे साथ स्टूडेंट जुड़े हैं इजराइल से. So you understanding Hindi here?
Yes.
So how you know Hindi?
I watch a lot of Bollywood movies.
अच्छा, Bollywood movies, you watch Bollywood movies. And Naty, what you learned during these classes and how was your experience?
I learn how to track a line, so it can help me another time. And let's see how it's goes.
Okay, and what type of repairing work you do there?
Most of the time it's Samsung, iPhone.
Samsung and iPhone. And this is your shop, and you are right now at your shop?
Yes, yes, my shop is at home.
In your home. Can you show us this setup to other people also? Naty हमारे साथ. Naty, can you speak in Hindi?
कोशिश कर सकता हूँ.
अच्छा, कोशिश कर सकता.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
It's a beautiful setup you have at your home. So Naty, आपने क्या-क्या सीखा अभी repairing इस क्लास के दौरान?
मैंने सीखा I2C line.
हाँ, I2.
Buck coil, charging full gauge, LCD touch, LCD display, OPV.
What you feel best about both these trainers?
They are very experienced and very skillful. Very helpful.
अच्छा, helpful, yes.
I must say they have a great experience and very good knowledge.